Oster Large Digital Countertop Convection Toaster Oven, 6-slice, black or polished stainless, 6-slice convection toaster oven for faster, more even cooking. Convection technology and a wide temperature range of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit let you cook with the convenience of an oven. Digital controls with 7 cooking settings and an interior light for easy viewing. Large interior can accommodate one 12-inch pizza, casseroles, cookies, and even a roast. Oven measures with cord. Includes durable baking pan and removable crumb tray for easy cleanup. Watts, 1300 watts.
See also top-rated reviews about this toaster oven from verified shoppers.
Sylvia saying, I love it. It's perfect for my studio. I don't have a kitchen and I was eating out every day. Junk food. So I decided to start cooking healthy meals and I'm doing everything easily on it. Look at my pics. The first one I cooked at once. It's huge inside. My food tastes great. I definitely recommend the purchase. Also Bookie reviewed. Love it. I use my oven for most of my cooking because it is usually too hot to use the stove oven. So far this has worked great, but I am still getting used to the settings for the toaster. The inside is large enough to bake a cake or a nice tenderloin and it is so easy to clean. A good wipe down usually does the trick. And Alex review. The pizza oven is a real treat, not only for pizza but also for appetizers and other bites. A bit big but worth the space. The timer for the toaster is not exact, so you really need to stay nearby when toasting or you might have a burnt offering. What British bite on it grated about. Oh how I love my convection oven. It is so big, and I love it. I like the size. I can hear several things at the same time on the 2 racks. It does generate some heat. Cooking, heat time is a plus with the timer built. Don't like microwaves. Use them for 20 plus years. My Oster is a welcome change for my daily needs in the kitchen.
See more info by following the link under the video. And subscribe to our YouTube channel.